getting the last of our business taken care of. Not the last of business. Actually, we got a lot more business to be taken care of today. Working on, let's see, a few things over here to get that finished and get that done as fast as possible. So we're working on business cards and some other stuff today. So I'm gonna get that taken care of and finish up. Let me see what we got to do here. Finish up the website. The website. How much work we got doing at the website right now? I'm not sure. I know we got quite a lot to go through, but right now I want to get this finished up real quick, and then we'll be done for the day. I got some people that got to make some visits today. We had to make a few phone calls. Some people felt the need to do things they shouldn't be doing, and now I had to call in some friends. So just putting it out there that well, we got to get back to work. We have things we have to finish up and things that have to be done. So right now I'm working on the website. Oh shoot, I forgot to have my phone here for a minute. My bad. It's not supposed to be. I'm working on some documents here. Let me get this out of the way real quick. I forgot that was even there. All right, well, anyway, I got some work I got to finish up today. We're working on the website Crystal Edge, launching that, getting ready to put some little spin on it, something different with it, and uploading pictures onto the new Crystal Edge, not Crystal Edge, the digital one. It's not digital one. 15 digital one. The Black Series edition. We're doing that right now. I totally forgot those paperwork was out. I was actually going through the rest of that because we're getting ready for court pretty soon. So anyway, we had to go in here and I got to upload videos from my account to start boosting the other site for Black Series and upgrading that. And I got business meetings coming up on Monday. I'm not going to edit the video. My camera was pointed down. Like I said, I had documents I'm going through. We're getting ready for court for the other fellows, for the other people that were carrying on. Yeah, we had, like I said, we got y'all info. We know where you live at. So I'm not going to edit the video. If it just came up in the camera, it came up in the camera. So that's just all to it. But like I said, working on that and getting that done, getting that paperwork finalized and getting that finished for the documents for the court, for the post office, which gave me the confirm back on basically what they need to do. We had enough evidence to prosecute him, and to get ready for the small claims court for the infringements on the batch numbers. So we'll be getting that taken care of too. And what else we're going to be doing also on top of that? I think that's basically about it. That's all we need to do. I'm still waiting for the attorney for the other guy. Hasn't contacted us yet, so we're still waiting for that. So I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, I got to go from there. I got to get ready to get my business cards. I'm still opening up videos and getting all that taken care of, and then I'm going from there. But yeah, those documents are supposed to be over there. But anyway, got to go. Thank you all, and God bless. Crow has been officially removed and banned from eBay for committing scams. Multiple complaints were filed against his account, and his account was removed. If you notice, you will see right here that close. We'll blow it up for you. We're on eBay right now, and as you can see, his account is nowhere to be found anywhere. There's nothing coming up. As I said before, if you're selling on eBay and you do sell screen paint products, one of the key words that people use to get noticed on eBay, and keywords are everything, is projection screen paints. Now, we let the mic open. I always leave the mic open when we do this because, again, we give them the opportunity to explain themselves. Usually, we're met by a lot of screaming, yelling, emojis, and stuff like that. That's pretty much what we're met with. But, again, it just shows you exactly what you're dealing with at the end of the day. If it's not you, you're getting very upset. What person's going to get upset over somebody else's video? Like someone's in love with you. What's going on with that? So if something's wrong there, it's definitely you. The same activity you're showing in your chat, you're showing right here. It's the same energy you're showing. Yet you claim it's two different people. Well, look, man. You have your test cut out for you. So do your demonstrations. Or you're going to go through the same thing you went through on your eBay account. You're going to get a massive amount of complaints. They're going to shut you down over there too. So if I were you, I'd get cracking, Jackson. Get it done. Okay. Well, look, man. Look, you're doing all this ranting and everything. It's not helping you. It's making you look bad. Just do the demonstrations. That's all we're asking you to do. Just do the demonstrations. Stop ranting and do the demonstrations. That's all. Why are you still ranting? You should be getting in your ride, your bike, whatever. Go down to freaking Home Depot, Sherman-Williams, and pick up this stuff. Get it to your house and do the test. That's all you got to do. That's it. Just get the test done. By the way, man. First things first. Second thing, no. If I basically, oh wait, first he claimed to be Jamie. Now he's claiming to be a customer. Okay. Well, he's just swapping up there, isn't he? Well, do me a favor. Give me your transaction number. I'll look it up right now. Give me the transaction number. I'll look your account up right now. Matter of fact, give me your email. I'll look it up right now. Give me an email. Come on. Email and transaction number. I want the date and time you placed the order. Give it to me right now. I'll look it up for you. I thought so. Fake. And they're screaming and yelling some nonsense. I asked you a question. Give me I want the email, time and date when you made the transaction. And I want your transaction ID number. Show it to me. You said answer your phone. Something's wrong with you. My phone number is not posted. This is my private number. What are you talking about, my number? Jamie, that's not my new number. We already have a number. We have a company number. I just sat there and made that bulletin already that we're no longer using that number because that's my personal number. And now we have a company number. You can call it the company number if you want. Go ahead. Why would I be posting my number up there if I have a company number? My number was changed about a couple of days ago. So how are you calling me, asking me the answer? The only number you would have access to is the company number. And you do know when you talk on there, it basically reads out a transcript of what you're saying, right? It also records you for training purposes. So how are you calling me right now if you don't have my number? Okay. Well, look, ma'am, I asked you again nicely. I need your transaction ID. So basically it just shows the ID transaction of what order you have. Can you send it to me now? I didn't. How am I going to check your order if you didn't give me the information? Oh my goodness. Okay, people, we're not going to entertain Jamie anymore. So Jamie has so far come into the room and claimed to now be a customer that is requesting his money back. I requested a simple transaction number. So that transaction number is not going to give up any information on him. It'll allow me to go in and punch it up and see who he is and what he is at the end of the day, his address, all that stuff will pop up. Well, we always keep all that stuff hidden, how we do things over here. So clearly he doesn't have any information at all. He thought I said, where did you get tracking number from transaction ID number? So the fact that you don't even know what a transaction ID number is and you got that mixed up with a tracking number. Did you hear me say tracking number? I didn't say tracking number. I said transaction ID number. You don't know the difference between those two? How the heck are you selling screen paint and you don't know the difference between a tracking number and a transaction ID number? My goodness. See, I'll tell you something. They do doing stupid. When they're committing stupid, tripping over stupid, I was doing stupid. My goodness. I didn't say tracking number. I said transaction ID number. Oh my goodness, man. He's an idiot. Sat there and said tracking number. Nobody asked for your tracking number. I said transaction ID number. You know what? You should know what a transaction ID number if you have a website. My goodness. He said I'm not giving my tracking number out. Nobody asked for your tracking number. I said transaction ID number. My goodness. All right. As you can see, look, man, no customer in their right mind is going to come in here and defend you. They're not. Look how many times you wrote the word scammer alert over and over and over again. That's the same energy we're seeing in here. This is you. This is also you in here at the same time with another name. Then you swapped it out and tried to make it sound like you were an angry customer toward us. I asked you for a transaction ID and the time and date when you placed the order. We can look you up right through there. You couldn't give me anything. And then you mentioned something about a tracking number. I never said anything about a tracking number. Where the heck did you get that from? So we know it's you in here carrying on and acting up. And the reason why your customers are not defending you, because your customers are hitting you with chargebacks. They want their money back because there's proof and hardcore evidence showing you matching house paint. Did you post any of the demonstrations to your website showing that you could back your product up? And these, what I'm doing over here is a complete lie. No, there's nothing there. They can't even find the videos. And at that, now they can't even find your eBay account. Now look at him, quiet as a church mouse because he did something stupid. Sat there and said transaction number, tracking number. My goodness. Yeah, man. Look, man, I got things to do, okay? You can go rant and cry all day long like you usually do, but you still got to do those test demonstrations as we requested. If he doesn't do the test demonstrations by today, I suggest anyone who's placed an order against this guy, get your money back. If you need evidence, you're welcome to come to the blacklist and take whatever you want. That being said, Jamie, you got to get to work. I mean, seriously, get to work. Or you're going to pay a lot of money back. Well, you're going to be paying back money back anyway, because today I got to visit my friend at the IRS, which is down here, and I have to basically put in a complaint against you because you don't pay taxes. All right, got to go, and God bless.